everybody and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making a casserole dish hot pad. And guess what? There's no pattern needed. So let's get started. I begin by cutting out my fabric. And I really do like the round or the curved edges. So what I do is measure up 2 inches and then width as well. Join the lines with the round surface, and today I'm using a bowl lid. And now repeat on all 4 corners, including the batting. And now it's time to prepare the fabric for the darts. Measure up on the fold 2 inches and then 1 inch wide. Join the lines and repeat on all 4 sides. And now draw a line to form an X, and that'll be our stitching line. And now I trim my insebright, and as you can tell, my insebright is smaller than my batting, but it is secured down with the stitching. And now it's time to stitch on the X. And due to the thickness, I have increased my stitch length to 3.5. And now it's time to sew the darts.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go.
And now trim the darts to approximately 1/4 inch.
And now there's something in the they shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoe.
And now using wonder clips or pins, match the seams and prepare it for sewing.
Beyond gravel, beyond all. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand.
And now mark approximately 4 inches for the opening.
Track of time, head up high, now we climb.
And now use an approximately 3/8 inch seam allowance. Sew, but be sure to reinforce at the beginning and the end of the opening.
Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all. A bigger scale the world inhales as we go. I wouldn't want it any other way.
And now trim the corners with pinking shears or clip with regular scissors. Just don't go through your stitching line.
Easy, easy on our tiptoe.
And now turn right side out.
Agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all.
And once turned right side out, prepare it for top stitching. And now top stitch using approximately 1/4 inch seam allowance. I've also linked the bow cozy. It's a great idea for gift giving as well, and you know it really can use up your scraps. So it's still hot in summertime here, but Christmas is just around the corner. So, well, thanks for watching, everybody. Happy sewing, and see you next time.